Hey y'all, how's everybody doing today? Today we're going to check out all the goodies that came in my Sparkle & Co. October sub bag. And I'm doing a pretty cool little giveaway at the end, so make sure you watch the whole video. So here's the cute sticker that comes in the bag. And we're going to go ahead and just pull it all out. There's the dip powders. You're also going to get a dip liquid. Now, the bag that I am subscribed to here is $29.99 a month. It comes with 3 or 4 dip powders. If you get 3 dip powders, you also get a bag or some kind of goodie included. Here are the cute little confettis. You also get one kind of dip liquid, and then they always throw in a sticker and confetti and just cute little things. And then on the card, it will tell you all about the bag. There's a monthly contest. There is all kinds of cool stuff, tips. You can get 20% off these exclusive colors, and there's a referral program. So if you are not a subscriber and you want to sign up, use my name, Amber Riley, and you'll get an $18 credit, and I'll get an $18 credit. And I will link all that info in the description box below. So I started cutting in to my dip liquid. This month it's the Glossy 2.0 top coat. And I was wondering why I was having trouble getting it out of the bag. And then lo and behold, it was glued in there. I think it got opened and it was sealed and it's just damaged. So I contacted the Sparkle Fairies and I'm sure they'll make it right. They always do. They're so awesome. Okay, so into the good stuff, the dip powders. So this month we got 4 dip powders in lieu of a goodie item or a bag, which I'm totally cool with. I do like the goodie items too. Last month we got an umbrella and a face mask. It was so cute. So I just like to be surprised. I like it all. So here's Pick Your Poison. It is a hot electric lime green. It's one of the matte colors that we got. Very, very bright and very, very green. This one is picking up a little more pink on camera. This one's called Fright This Way, and it is like a hot neon orange. Also very, very bright and neon-y. I'm struggling. There it goes. Okay. All right, this is one of the flaky, glittery ones. So dynamic. This one's called Stirring the Pot. It has black little chunky glitters and fine glitter. It has green. It's got some iridescent. It's just very multifaceted. I cannot wait to get this one on my nails. So pretty. This one is also a flaky. It's like an iridescent purple. So unique. So this one is called Pretty Wicked, and it is pretty wicked, let me tell you. I'm going to give you a close-up of each one of the colors again, and so you can see them in the jar. So here's Pick Your Poison. This is one of the matte greens. Well, one of the mattes, the green matte. This one is Fright This Way. It's that neon orange. It's so pretty. I really like that one. And then Stirring the Pot. This is, wait till you see this in the jar. Oh my. Look at all of that. So pretty. Seriously, like that's going to be my new fave. And then this is the Pretty Wicked color. And I could have just stared at this swatch stick all day. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? There's like purple flakies and glitters and iridescence. Like it's just so pretty. Look at this. I'm not a big purple fan, but I'm pretty excited about that. In case anyone else was curious between Pick Your Poison and Electric Lime Glow, what the difference is, really, I didn't see anything. This is Electric Lime Glow on the left and Pick Your Poison is on the right. You can buy Electric Lime Glow. It's one of the regular colors and it is one of the glow in the darks, but you can see they're basically so similar that I just decided to put Pick Your Poison in a giveaway for y'all. So I'm going to give you the whole jar and of course the swatch stick. So we're going to do a little impromptu Halloween giveaway. So in goes Pick Your Poison and of course the swatch stick. What else is going to go in the giveaway bag? It's a Halloween giveaway, so we got to do some decals. These are water decals, and there's some cute little spidery things, so I'm going to throw that in the giveaway bag as well. And then I decided to put Material Girl. This was in one of the 80s sub bags a couple months ago, and I still haven't used it because I also have the Shocking Pink Glow, which is almost exactly the same color. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in for y'all too, and we'll just make it a neon type of a thing. I also decided to go ahead and put some little sample jars of all the other colors in this baggie. I just didn't put it on film, so you will also get the other colors in some little small jars. So you'll get the whole sub bag plus Material Girl in this contest. So what do you have to do to win? All you have to do to win this beautiful giveaway is just leave me a comment down below and tell me why you want to win. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You gotta like the video and be subscribed to my channel. I do frequent giveaways. I love my subscribers and I'm constantly giving back to y'all. So, it's all about the love. Thank you for showing my channel support and love. Don't forget, if you do want to sign up for the sub bag, I will link it all below, but use my name, Amber Riley. You'll get a credit, I'll get a credit, and of course, I always appreciate that. Thank y'all so much for being here, so much for watching. Appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.